if you're having this issue that over time you're getting exposed connections here, and in the other side the same thing. In this case, I fixed the red one. I have to fix now the black one, but before doing that, I was going to make the video. So in order to do that, you have to buy these. So these connectors that you see here, they're great because this is going to create the insulation here, as you can see, around, so that way you're not going to have this issue. So I'm going to show you how to use this plier, so that way you can do the same, very easy, cheaply, and it's going to look very pro. So, as you can see, we're going to remove this, and we're going to do it the right way. So I'm going to stretch this up a little bit, or maybe I will have to cut it because here it seems like it has some thin. All right, as you can see, we're going to cut this up, and we're going to make sure it fits. So as you can see, it fits just fine. As you can see, we're going to put this inside. As you can see, we put it like that, press, and done. So now it looks perfect. I could cut it a little bit more. We can see, yeah, it fits fine. Otherwise, you can cut it just here. As you can see, I just tied this up and it looks perfect. So now I should not have any issue. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you need anything like that, I can try to leave in the video description. Otherwise, if you're outside the United States, you want me to buy something like that, I can buy it and send it to you. Just contact me and I can do that.